Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Nokia Rizal, metric number 255938. So today I'm going to present about the business model canvas. The company that I choose for this BMC is Beribu Impian Enterprise. So Beribu Impian Enterprise is a construction company which holds the projects of building house or renovating the houses. So Beribu Impian Enterprise is actually kind of like a Malaysia-wide, which they covers all the projects in Malaysia. Beribu Impian Enterprise will take the projects from the clients who wants to build or renovate their houses, and then will pass the projects to the in-house contractors. These in-house contractors will first have to register with BIA in order to be part of BIA and in order to have the projects passed down. So we'll move with the key partners in the BMC of Beribu Impian Enterprise. So the first one is in-house contractors, which is the contractors all over Malaysia who sign up or register with BAIE. The next one is the architects who will plans the layout of the projects. Next one is the customers or clients who will apply or who will subscribe towards the packages of BIE. The next one is investors or the venture capitalists who invest and gain the profit from their shares. The next one is insurance companies. So insurance companies is very vital, as this kind of projects tends to get more often in accidents. So these insurance companies will cover from unwanted things from happening, the unwanted things happening. So the next one is surveyor. Surveyor is the ones who will take the measurements of the plans of the house. And last one is lawyer, who will be involved in agreement between BIE and the clients itself. So we'll move to the key activities of BIE. The first one is problem solving, which mainly solve the problems of the clients who needs to build the house or renovate their house. The next one is designing and delivering product, the finished product, which is the finished built house or the finished renovated house. The last one is taking measurements by the surveyor of BIE. So the key resources in BMC of BIE is human resources, which are the employees, the surveyors, and also the architects. So the next one, we'll move to the value propositions. So there are three individuals who will gain value propositions. The first one is, of course, for the company itself. BIE is a professional services company which going to have a full control of all of the projects that will hold in all over Malaysia. So even though the projects will be passed down to in-house contractors, BIE will still have the full control of the projects. The next one is for in-house contractors, they will have an easy job. Easy jobs means they do not have to market or promote themselves. BIE will do the marketing and promotion. The jobs will be passed down from BIE towards the in-house contractors. The next one is for customer. They will be convenient. They will get their own needs and wants. They are designing their own designs, their own ideas, and they could also perform background check, as BIE is a Malaysia-wide company. Next one is the customer relationships. So it is a dedicated personal assistant, which means BIE employee, BIE representative will have a face-to-face meeting with the clients itself. So they can discuss they can discuss whatever their wants, their needs, their desires, their ideas. So the BIE representative will take note all of their needs. The next one is channels. So basically, BIE will have websites. The main platform is their websites. So customers who wants to apply to build the house or renovate the house will have to go through the BIE websites. So, and also digital ads campaign will be done in order to promote and market BIE company. The next one is the customer segments. So the customer segments for this business is of course the in-house contractors itself, and also the customers or clients. So there is a few cost structure that need to be looked for, which are permit fees. Permit fees are the fees that need to pay in order to build a house. For renovating, they do not have to. For small renovation, they do not have to go pay the permit fees, but major renovation will need to have a permit fees. The next one is legal administrative costs. The next one is insurance costs, which is covered by the insurance companies. Architect plan costs, the cost that needs to pay to the architects, and also the surveyor cost that surveyor takes the measurement before. And the last one, we'll move to the revenue streams. So BIE is going to offer 5 packages, subscription packages. So the lowest one will be silver, the next one gold, platinum, diamond, and ace. So this subscription packages is actually packages of ranges of amount. So for example, for silver packages, the ranges of amount will be around 50,000 to 70,000 of building the house. The customer may appoint their ideas, their needs and desires, but BIE will also looks at the needs, their wants, their desires, so that it will fit in the budget that they have, the packages that they have choose, and so on. And the subscription packages increases the amount increases as they choose higher packages. So I think that's all for the business model canvas of BIE. Thank you.